Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the screen dim time on your Steam Deck. So if you have plugged in or not plugged in, it's going to dim at different times. So press the Steam button right here, go to the side menu, go down to Settings. Select Settings. Then go on down to where it says Display. Here it is, go to the right. Then go on down. And we're looking for the dim display. And you have two different options on here. You have when plugged in, dim after, and we have 15 minutes by default. We can disable it so it doesn't dim. 1, 2, 3, 4, all these different options under here. So you can go up to 20 minutes if you literally want. Then we can go to cancel and go to when not plugged in, dim after. The default is 5 minutes, but we can go to 1, disable it, whatever, 10, 15, 20 minutes under here. We can go to cancel. And then we have put deck into sleep mode. So when plugged in after 1 hour, when not plugged in after 15 minutes. So maybe I'll go to 10 minutes on that one. And then you should be good to go. You can decide how you want that to be set up. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.